cute. Hi guys, welcome to a spring reset with me. I'm literally so full of energy and like light today, and I just like feel like I could accomplish anything. So that means it's a leg day, which is the next thing on my list. Sometimes in the mornings where I really like to get a lot done and clean, I just immediately start cleaning when I get out of bed. Maybe that's not the best, and then I get ready a little bit later in the day. So that's what I did today. So I will cut to the cleaning.
Pieces in my room. Coming over, that's cool. I could use a little something to do. Go outside, take a little ride if you want to. That's cool. I did what I was supposed to. There's nothing left for me to do. So now I'm walking out my head through open windows. Cause that's what I feel like. Do it tonight. Waking up my brain. Maybe you can do the same thing. You want me to say something? I come up with nothing. Maybe we can talk until we figure out a topic. Been so long in my head, caught up in my feelings. I've been waiting for something new to happen. And when it happens, I'll be dancing on the lawn when it happens. When it happens, I'll be dancing on the lawn when it happens.
And yeah, it is already about noon. It's a Saturday. It's a beautiful sunny day. So I'm gonna head out to the gym now. I've just literally been like dancing and listening to music all morning. So the vibes are just immaculate at the moment.
I think there's another universe where I haven't yet felt pain. And maybe in that other universe, I'm a flower and you're the rain. I think somewhere in a different life, I'm still 7 in 2nd grade. And I'm so happy that I feel alright, and that I haven't met my brain.
Oh my gosh, did I have the nicest workout today? I just feel on top of the world right now. I just have such a great mindset today. Like nothing can get me down. Literally, like my dreams are closer than I think. I just feel so good. I'm back from the gym and I'm gonna take a quick shower and then sit outside for a little bit because it's just so beautiful today. Just did my nails. I think they turned out really cute. All right, I just finished my nails up outside and this thumb is so crooked, but the rest turned out pretty straight. And now we're gonna go to our friend's house. I'll probably pick up the camera again tomorrow. I don't know how much I'll film at our friend's house because we'll probably be there the rest of the night, but feeling so happy right now. These nails are so long, I need to remember how to live again. Got myself some mango high noons. Hey guys, good morning. It is Sunday morning and I had a bit of a slower morning. I had to do a little bit of work, but we had a lot of fun at our friend's house yesterday and I'm about to go hit an upper body day at the gym. I already had breakfast. It's actually not really morning anymore. I think it's like 11:30 or noon. Yeah, let's go hit upper body. Oh my gosh, what a good workout. Sorry I didn't film a ton of it. It's kind of hard for me to film upper body days because of just like the placements of the machines and everything, but I ran a mile, or I jogged a mile, and I only stopped twice and it took me just under 12 minutes. Okay, and to be fair, I did start by walking. So I'm pretty proud of myself. I've never actually had a baseline for running. Like I have no idea what my mile time is. And even that is just like a rough estimate, but I'm proud of myself. Just got home from the gym. Brian and I are gonna sit outside for a little bit and plan what we wanna have for dinner this week. And then I'm gonna go to the grocery store. We could do that tonight. All right guys, so I'm gonna shower before I go to the store because I need to, but I wanted to walk you through just my pre-shower routine really quickly because this is something that I do when I do my everything showers. I don't think I actually have to shave today, but I definitely need to wash this hair. And sometimes I will go in with a scalp oil, but I like to leave that on for a couple hours. So I'm not gonna do it this time, but I'll probably do it next time I wash my hair, but I try to do that like twice a month. But one thing I have been doing a lot is dry brushing. So I actually start normally on my legs and I just bring the brush upwards. So you can be a little bit rougher with this brush on your arms and your legs, but you're also supposed to do your chest, and I do that really, really lightly in a circular motion, and then same with your stomach. So the key is to be bringing the brush upwards, and this is supposed to help with blood flow and lymphatic drainage a lot. And honestly, I feel like it helps exfoliate my skin. I already put my sunscreen on and I dried my hair a little bit. I'm just gonna put a little bit of leave-in product, leave-in conditioner real quick. I just try to focus it on the ends. And then I'm just gonna brush it through. I'm really excited. I'm gonna be doing a little bit of meal prepping for the week. So I'm gonna meal prep some breakfast and lunches, and I'm gonna try some new recipes that I found on Instagram that look really, really good. Like I'm so excited about it. All of the bags here. I just dribbled LaCroix down myself. Oh my God. The store was insane. It's Cinco de Mayo today, so I probably should have expected that. I hate that so much. Honestly, like my store too, I don't know what it is about this certain grocery store, but it is packed. Doesn't matter the day, doesn't matter the time. I need a snack. I'm gonna have a bagel, and then I'm gonna decide what I'm gonna do next. I really, really need this food right now. I wish it was cream cheese, I'm not gonna lie, but I don't have any cream cheese, so. I have a very exciting Amazon package, you guys. I'm so excited, actually. I got 2 new planners. One is for work and one is for play, or like YouTube and stuff like that. So I got this one. This is a lot bigger than I thought it would be. It is a ringed binder, so that way if I don't have to close it when I'm done with it. That was the problem with my other one. And then this one is just like is gonna be my normal planner. So here's like the weekly plan page. You can put a focus. And I like to buy all my planners undated because I don't plan every single week. Like I try to, but I don't always. It has a habit tracker, which I thought was really cool. So I could put like going to the gym on here and then try to check that, you know, 3 times a week or something. And then this whole page is the weekly planner. And then this one, I'm just gonna have at my desk. But this is just what the page looks like. So it's like a top priorities, and then it has follow-ups, which is actually a good tab for me. And then just your day at a glance. So really cute. Ugh, I really need to clean my oven. Like, it is a mess, but we're about to be cooking, so. All right, guys, I gotta put my hair back for this. We are gonna cook some sheet pan eggs, and I've never done this before, so I'm excited. It should be pretty easy. Oh my God, my hair is like so big right now. So my hair is pretty frizzy. It's only frizzy after like the first day that it's washed. So I'm just getting it out of the way now, and then tomorrow it's gonna look a lot better. All right, this looks bomb. I'm gonna put it in the oven. I'm not really sure how long it's gonna take. Look at all like the veggies that I squeezed in there. That'll be so good. And then I'm gonna put a slice of cheese over each, and then on an everything bagel. I mean, just yes. All right, we're gonna start chili prep. Brian's gonna make the chili. Good. Eggs are done. The secret to good chili, using an entire thing of chili. What is it? Chili like an entire, yeah, entire. Oh yeah. I didn't know about the controversy. I didn't know about the bean versus no bean controversy until that chili cook-off in Texas.
It's intense.
Yeah, I had no clue that that was such a thing. It's pretty divided among Texans.
It is.
What region started with the beans?
No idea.
East Coast versus West Coast.
Being regional.
Alright, we got the meat, crushed tomatoes, all the veggies, and now we're adding in the chopped tomatoes. So I've got the chili cooking, I've got the oven preheating for my turkey bacon, so all of the elements for my breakfast meal prep are gonna be done soon. I'm gonna start marinating the chicken for my lunch meal prep. It actually needs to marinate overnight, so I'm just gonna create the marinade and then put it in the fridge. And then I'll probably make the rest of the meal prep for that tomorrow. So I have my eggs in here and my bagels, but I want to toast them. So I guess I'm just going to toast all 6 of these. Right, I got 5 sandwiches here. These can be frozen, but I don't think we'll need to freeze them because we'll probably eat them pretty quickly because Brian and I are going to share. Perfect bite.